Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's always tempting to eat Sri Lankan authentic food when you live out of the country. Today I made this authentic Kalu Dodol. This is a wonderful invention I always wanted to make but refrained remembering the way we used to do in Sri Lanka, but this is a very quick and easy invention we can do within less than half an hour in a microwave. However, making Kalu Dodol is a time consuming process. I have tried this recipe many times. The taste and the color of this dodol are the same as the authentic Kalu Dodol. You can make this within less than half an hour. Even though I mentioned this dish half an hour, it depends on your microwave oven and the quantity you are going to use. Your microwave may need more or less time. And this mixture is extremely hot, so be careful when you are handling it. Microwave to microwave, the time varies, so it might be more or less, but don't overcook it. You will get a dry texture and it will become crumbly and you will not be able to handle it. So be very thoughtful doing it, because my microwave might have less time and your microwave had more time, so always check the consistency well and watch this video till the end, then you will have a proper idea about the consistency and the minutes. And few tips to get best results: always use good quality jaggery and use fresh cardamom powder. Sometimes cardamons are expired and it doesn't give a good flavor. And use very thick coconut milk, that is very important. Please do try out this recipe, and you can see it's very soft and chewy, and you can see the authentic color, and same like the Sri Lankan authentic Kalu Dodol. So now let's check out the ingredients and how I make it, and please check out the full recipe in the description box. Half a cup roasted rice flour, store bought, you can use unroasted too. Chopped cashew nuts, quarter cup brown sugar or you can use white sugar, 1 teaspoon cardamon powder, 350 grams grated jaggery. Use a good quality jaggery. 550 milliliters thick coconut milk. I am using the can version. Don't use less than 550, even 600 is still fine, because it needs liquid to cook the rice flour. In Sri Lanka you can use fresh thick coconut milk. I am going to use this large Pyrex jug. For this recipe use a microwave proof dish or a jug or any tall dish or a microwave tall bowl. Now let's start mixing. Add the coconut milk. It's very thick coconut milk. And the rice flour. You can use roasted or unroasted rice flour. brown sugar, or you can use white sugar too. Add the jaggery. Try to make it a fine powder because otherwise it takes time to dissolve. So let's mix it really well until the jaggery is totally dissolved and there are no lumps. Mix it as much as you can, so that way the jaggery dissolves very well. Make sure there are no lumps too. Now I have finished mixing and you can see the consistency. So there are no lumps and there are no pieces of jaggery here. So now let's start cooking in the microwave. Now set the timer for 10 minutes and then now place the bowl in the microwave oven, and you can see I have set the time for 10 minutes. So this is the first 10 minutes. Now the 10 minutes is coming to an end. The time is up. Let's remove it. Now mix it really well. Now you can see it has become thick. Mix it really well. And now let's add the cardamon powder. And use a good quality cardamom powder. Mix it again. You can see the consistency. Now let's pop it again in the microwave for another 5 minutes. Apply some butter or ghee. This is 5 by 5 inch baking tray. Now the first 5 minutes is done. So let's take it out, and it's really thick now. Mix it again and add the cashew nuts and mix well and pop into the microwave for another 5 minutes. And you can see the consistency. It needs to cook for some more time, and I am popping in for the second 5 minutes. And now it's coming to an end. Now total 20 minutes we have cooked this dodol. Now let's see how it looks like. Now you can see it has turned out to a thick paste and hard to stir now, and color has changed to darker brown. So I think I will cook for another 2 minutes and then we are done. And let's transfer into a prepared butter tray. press it down quickly while it is still hot, and you can see there is little oil come out. But while mixing, if you think your mixture is dry, add a spoon of oil or ghee. It looks perfect, and now let's keep for a couple of hours before I cut it. Now after a couple of hours, loosen the four sides of the tray and flip it into a cutting board, and you can see the perfect texture turn out so well. And let's cut it now, and you can see it looks chewy and soft, just like the authentic Sri Lankan Kalu Dodol. And I'm very excited to share this recipe with you. It has turned out so perfectly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a feedback. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and like my channel. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.